Ребята, это Ник. Ник будет показать нас, как найти грибы в лесу. So, Nick, you are going to show us today what? What are you going to show us today?
We are going to walk through Wolf Neck State Park and see what we can see.
What are we hoping to find?
Hoping to find some wild mushrooms and some chanterelles and some black trumpets.
Okay. Okay. Can we take them from the park?
We cannot take them from this park. It's a public park. So nothing leaves, nothing enters. We leave it the same way we found it.
Ребята, мы в парке, и мы будем найти грибы в лесу, но, к сожалению, не можем забрать из леса, потому что здесь государственный парк.
Not really supposed to get this on the screen, but
You don't want ticks. It's only like a 3-mile hike. You ready to go hiking?
yeah, that's what we're doing. Is this video going to be like a nature walk?
You know what? I have an idea. So I just thought about that. I don't know how you feel about it yet, but Russians are super into harvesting mushrooms, like foraging.
Oh, then we should have gone.
Do you want to be a YouTube celebrity?
No, but
All right, and we could do a video of you foraging mushrooms.
yeah.
Being a wilderness guy.
We picked a terrible place to do it, but if I find something, you can turn the camera.
Oh, hey, a frog.
I don't know why.
So, how popular is foraging for mushrooms?
In Maine?
Yeah.
I don't know. Pretty popular.
How'd you learn how to do it?
I did it a lot in California. Foraging for not even just mushrooms, but lots of stuff.
So if you find mushrooms, can you use them in the restaurant? Because like you can buy mushrooms off the back of a truck, right?
Yeah. In order to do that, you have to have a license to sell them.
Okay. So we don't eat like the tree mushrooms, right? Like this dude.
That is a tricky tip.
Can you eat it?
Like actually eat it? No.
No.
You can like turn it into powder.
Hey. Whoa, hello, puppy. Do you think we'll find one that you can eat? So this guy's poisonous.
It's like ancient peoples used to draw on these.
Really?
Yeah. This. And that will stay that color for thousands of years.
Really?
Yeah.
So it'll fossilize and...
Yeah, like they have old like Native American drawings on these things. I have no idea what that is.
Do we eat it?
No, but it looks fucking cool, man.
It's a cool design.
Maybe one of your YouTube comments can tell me what that is. That thing's cool.
Oh my god, this is so cool. What? Прикольно, но это не грибы. Yeah, no, Russians don't think we have... Actually, they don't even think we have, like, locally sourced food.
Really?
They think all we eat is McDonald's and, like, French fries. And chips and burgers and...
There are parts of America like that, that's for sure.
Ребята там бурундук. Он не очень вежливый. Он убегал сразу. What is it?
I don't know.
Is it parsley?
It looks like parsley, but it's not.
Ребята, parsley это петрушка. Right, I don't see mushrooms. Ooh, who lives here? Even if it's like nuclear war, everyone's still kind of fucked.
Yeah.
Oh my god. So I was hosting a trivia game. Did I tell you about this? And one of the questions in Russia, one of the questions was, it was a quote and they had to finish it. It was by Dwight D. Eisenhower. And he said, the only way to win World War III, is to, And when I read the answer, I said, be American. And no one laughed, except me. I thought it was genius. Is it a yellow trumpet?
No.
Ну, ребята, это океан. И, ну, посмотри, моего штата.
Those are nice looking black trumpets. They're a little.
So we can eat these, right?
Yeah. Oh.
Ребята, мы нашли кучу, ну, грибов. Я не знаю, как называется на русском, но на английском они называются black trumpets. Они чуть-чуть сушились, но...
Well, we'll leave them.
Ну, Ник только что сказал, что эти грибы стоят, ну, почти 1000 рублей за 400 граммов. А это будет, ну, за килограмм 2,5 рубля. Ну, 1000. Ну, Ник решил, что мы не будем забрать из лесы, потому что это, ну, больше нелегально, чем я думал. Ну, ребят, если вы знаете, что это, ну, напишите в комментариях. Мне интересно. Ну, выглядит очень прикольно. Ребята, на бревно там много грибов, и они называются turkey tails, ну, хвост индейков. И они мы не ем. И не очень красивые. Alright, Nick, so people are interested. Ну, люди интересно. What do you think of Russia?
I've never been to Russia. I have no idea.
Good answer. Он сказал, он не знает ничего о России, потому что он никогда не был там.
This
Right.
was a chanterelle.
Ребята,
It's not
нашли один.
anymore.
На английском называется chanterelle, а на
It's a
русском
chanterelle graveyard.
это лисочки. Но
That could have been left there. I don't even know if it grew here.
ну, нашли. Но некрасивый, и мы не будем есть. This is a big ass mushroom.
That is a cocky bastard.
Can we eat it? No.